Welcome to Quantum Tech Lab. I'm Luna, and today I'll show you how to turn on silent mode on your Samsung phone. Whether you're heading into a meeting, class, or just need some quiet time, switching to silent mode only takes a minute. Open the Settings app or menu bar. The Settings menu is your phone's control center, where you can manage everything from display and security to notifications and sound preferences. Now scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. On some models, it may appear simply as sounds. This section allows you to customize your ringtone, notification tones, system sounds, and volume levels. At the top of the screen menu, you'll see three sound mode options: Sound, Vibrate, and Mute. To activate silent mode, tap on Mute. Your phone will instantly stop all incoming call and notification sounds. If you'd like to enable silent mode temporarily, tap on Temporary Mute and select how long you want it to stay silent, such as 1 hour, 2 hours, or a custom duration. This is especially helpful when you don't want to forget to turn the sound back on later. Stay tuned to Quantum Tech Lab for more simple, practical tech tutorials designed to help you get the most out of your digital world.